You can learn to code. It might seem hard, but you can do it. Coding is everywhere. It's how we talk to computers. Think about your phone, video games, even your car. Code makes them go. When you learn to code, you learn to make things happen. That's powerful. You can build websites, apps, games, and more. You can solve problems with code. Learning to code opens doors. It gives you skills for the future. Let's get started. First, pick a language. This is your coding toolbox. Python is a good start. It's like learning to speak clearly before doing tongue twisters. Python is clean and easy to read. Other choices are JavaScript or HTML. JavaScript makes websites interactive. HTML builds the website's structure. Don't get stuck thinking too hard. The best language is the one you start with. You can always learn more later. Now, let's learn. The internet is your friend. Free resources are everywhere. Code Academy, Khan Academy, and Free Code Camp are good places to begin. They break down coding into small steps. The key is to practice. Don't just read, do. Write your own code, even if it's just a few lines. Start small. Make a simple program that says "Hello world," then keep going. You'll be surprised how fast you learn. Coding can be tough, but you're not alone. Join a coding community. Online forums and groups are great for this. You'll meet people learning just like you. Ask questions, share your struggles, and celebrate your wins together. Helping others is a great way to learn too. Explain a concept to someone else and you'll understand it even better. Remember, every coder started somewhere. Be patient, keep practicing, and never be afraid to ask for help. Now go write some code.